Norbar is one of the world's leading torque specialists, devoted exclusively to the design, development and production of torque tightening and measuring equipment. For over 70 years, Norbar has responded to competition by developing products faster than ever before, maintaining reliability, and meeting customer requirements. With the Siemens Xcelerator portfolio, Norbar can synchronize technology and use digital tools to recreate parts with no reference as to its original model. How does a 70-year-old company compete? They embrace the digital future. They optimize and validate with speed and collaborate across multiple domains. And with OnePLM as their partner, they're turning complexity into their competitive advantage.